Hello, I'm Joe Martin of Corteva Agriscience, and I'd like to talk you through using Instinct, our nitrogen stabiliser product in the spring. First, I'll give you a brief overview of what Instinct is. Instinct-containing Optinite technology is a nitrification inhibitor that keeps more nitrogen in the soil for longer, optimising the yield potential of a crop while reducing environmental losses of nitrate to water and nitrous oxide to the air. Instinct works by slowing down the conversion of ammonium to nitrate. Depending upon the soil type and weather, nitrate is vulnerable to leaching or being converted into nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse gas. When nitrogen is lost to water or the air, it's not there for the crop. The conversion of ammonium to nitrate is a biological process called nitrification. Instinct slows down the activity of a particular type of bacteria that facilitates the first part of the nitrification process. Instinct contains the ingredient nitropyrin, which will inhibit the bacteria for a period of 8 to 12 weeks, depending upon soil conditions. The inhibited bacteria will convert much less ammonium to nitrate, therefore keeping more nitrogen in the soil for longer, which means crops may achieve their yield potential and nitrate and greenhouse gas losses are reduced. Spring applications of nitrogen in crops are crucial to driving yield potential, protecting the environment by reducing nitrate and greenhouse gas losses and improving efficiency by keeping nitrogen in the root zone. And as soil temperatures start to warm up, the nitrification process will speed up, meaning ammonium is converted to nitrate more quickly and therefore more at risk to loss. Trials have consistently shown the benefit of applying Instinct in the spring. We have seen yield increases across all crops: cereals, oilseed rape, sugar beet and potatoes. From our dataset on Instinct, we can see improvements in yield across a number of crops. In this graph, you can see that from 16 trials, we gained a 13.7% yield advantage in maize, with over 3% yield advantage for cereals and oilseed rape. When applied to winter wheat at 11 sites, an average yield increase of 0.37 tonnes per hectare was achieved. If you are looking to reduce nitrogen inputs, our data from 12 trials shows that when Instinct has been applied, then yield is not compromised. In oilseed rape, an increase in yield of 3.5% was seen across 42 trials. When fertiliser inputs are reduced, and Instinct is applied early, there is no loss of yield. Instinct is a very easy product to use and apply. There is only one rate, 1.7 litres per hectare. Instinct can be applied with a crop sprayer and is compatible with many crop protection inputs, including liquid fertilisers, glyphosate pre- and post-emergence herbicides. Instinct can also be applied with slurry and digestate. The best application timing is within a few days of the main fertiliser application. Instinct does need to get into the soil to work. This can be achieved by mechanical incorporation or with about 12 millimetres of rain or precipitation within 10 days of application. Instinct can also be tank mixed with a number of products, including spring fungicides. You can find our tank mix list on the website.